You remember the days when you had a test the next morning and you're putting things off during the day. You're like, I'm going to start studying at this time. And all of a sudden you start to study. You're like, man, I got a lot more information to learn. You're like, I've only got 4 hours left between when that test starts and where I am right now. And I'm telling you, you need more time. I want to talk to you about how that never changes in life. You need to make sure you leverage your time so that you can be as impactful during your day as possible. And just putting, and Dr. Hess, my mentor, shared this, just putting lines through items, all like checking things off and moving forward. At the end of the day, you can rest your head on the pillow and say, man, I was so productive because I leveraged my time to such an excellent way, an efficient way. For me, I don't care if you're riding the car. Do you have calls you need to catch up on? Put a list together so you know, I got to call this person, I need to follow up here, I need to do this, I need to do that. Maybe it's, hey, you driving the car, 15, 20 minutes on one way to work and on the way back. Hey, get an audio tape in there, get a podcast going, feed your mind, get yourself built up, get yourself ready. Make sure you're always growing and you're staying a student at all times. I'm telling you one thing, I experienced it recently. You can't add hours to the day. All you've got is a certain amount of time, and everybody that's successful in life, every person that's successful in life knows that time is money. You can get more money, but you can't get more time. You need to leverage it properly so that you're as productive as possible.